Welcome to your lesson for today. This week is feedback week, which means all tasks that are completed this week must be sent to me. So at the end of this task, make sure you get mum or dad to take a photo of your picture or your work and send it to me in an Edmodo message. So we are continuing on with our fruit and vegetable theme, buah-buahan dan sayur-sayuran this week. This will be our last week of fruits and vegetables, and then next week we'll be moving on to something a little bit different in the food area. Our learning focus today is we are revising the Bahasa Indonesian words for fruits and vegetables, and we are learning to write a sentence about fruits and vegetables using an adjective, and we'll be using colours today. Our success criteria is I can remember the pronunciation of the Bahasa Indonesian words used for fruits and vegetables, and I can write a sentence in Bahasa Indonesian about the colour of a fruit in a good sentence. Okay, so it is up to you this week to revise all the sayur-sayuran and the buah-buahan. So I want you to either decide to go through the PowerPoint that we have used today, and they have all of these pages. I want you to have a go at saying them to your mum, your dad, your brother or your sister. Also, we are going to be using your vocab pages today to complete our task, so make sure they are close by, and we are doing our work today in our Indonesian book, therefore you'll have them close by because we've been doing them in our Indonesian book. Make sure that you have had a practice of the pronunciation before we move on to the task. So in order to do the task today, we have to revise the colours. You guys are really good at your colours. We've had a lot of practice with our colours, so this will be simple as pie for you. All right, can you repeat after me? Fantastic. Blue is biru, red is merah, orange is jingga, green is hijau, black is hitam, white is putih, yellow is kuning, pink is merah muda, purple is ungu, grey is abu-abu, and brown is chocolate. Fantastic. We're going to move on now and use those colours to describe some of the fruits and vegetables we have learnt about. So here is what I call a formula. It's the way that we write in Indonesian. The way that we write is we always start with the fruit or vegetable word. The object is always the first word in an Indonesian sentence when we're describing it. Then it's followed by berwarna, and berwarna means the colour of. And then it's followed with the colour, so the colour word. Is it merah? Is it kuning? Is it chocolate? So the fruit or vegetable word, berwarna, and the colour word. My example there is I have a carrot, and the carrot is orange. And I have written wortel, which is the word for carrot, berwarna, and then jingga, which is orange. So wortel, berwarna, jingga. The carrot is orange. If you want to use more than one word to describe a fruit or vegetable, remember we use the word dan, which is and you can use 2 or 3 or as many as you want to describe a vegetable. Okay, so let's move on to the modelled video. So you are going to choose a fruit or vegetable to do your task today, or you might want to choose one of both. It is up to you. What I want you to do now is I want you to pause this and I want you to move on to either the PowerPoint or the post and click on the modelled writing video. Okay, and that will show you how to come up with what I've got in the picture there, the final product. And the heading today is warna, buah, dan sayuran, and you'll see in the video how to complete this task. So I want you to pause this video now and go and watch the modelled video, and then we will move on. Okay, great. So here is the final product. Apel berwarna merah, the apple is the colour of red, and wortel berwarna jingga dan hijau, the carrot is the colour of orange and green. So make sure you have clearly written your sentences with a picture in your Indonesian book, and don't forget, jangan lupa, Today's learning task is a feedback task, which means I will give you direct feedback on your progress and how well you've completed the task. It's a great way for you to know if you are on track with your Indonesian learning, and then we'll be able to set ourselves some small goals for the remainder of the remote learning. Send your task to me in an Emodo private message. Good luck. Sampai jumpa.